Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the rear window defroster on Jeep Grand Cherokee, guys. Now, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until we watch that video. It could be quite simple fix if your rear window defroster does not work, and after that, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmission codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these free videos. By the way, guys, if you have a Jeep Grand Cherokee with a V6 3.6 engine, guys, we'll have video on that engine, replacing, taking it completely apart, replacing almost any component you can think of, transmission as well. Why we do that? To save you money. Check it out. All this video will be on the channel, guys. In addition, on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. The rear window defroster fuses relays come to show you where you can expect to find them on that generation Jeep Grand Cherokee right here. What we guys need to do now, we need to open the hood, and when you face the engine, on the left side here is the main engine fuse box. Open that cover. Depending on the year model, you may have two different types of fuse boxes. This is the first one, that's 2014 to 2022 year model Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is 2011 to year 2013 model Jeep Grand Cherokee. Before we guys continue, let's quickly explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. The funny thing, guys, for that specific model there is very limited information. We need to locate fuse number J12. According to all the repair manuals we found, it's the rear window defroster fuse, but that's J11, that's J13, okay, and that's J22, but there is no J12 anywhere that we could locate, guys, okay, in the fuse box, except maybe, guys, okay, we're talking about that one here. So you need to check that one maybe right here, guys, because according to most of the ones, okay, this one here is not listed, but check this one here. It's very likely that this is the one, and the relay next to it as well. Now, if you have 2014 to year 2022, it's more clear now, and we need to specifically locate fuse number, guys, fuse number F36, which is this fuse right here. Okay, this fuse right here, and in on some models you need to check relay K10 as well, right there. You see there, that's why they're next to each other. These are the main fuses relays that you will need to check on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. Guys, as you can see, this Jeep Grand Cherokee has all kinds of different fuses, relays, JKs, mini blade fuses, the CB fuses, different kinds of relays as well, depending on the year and model, they may differ, but some of those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. That's why, guys, what we recommend, we always keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the links in the description of the video below, check it out, where we get most of our tool supplies from as well. We can get fuses, relays usually at a good price there as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Thank you for watching and see you next time.